Question number 11, kapag ganito yung question na meron siyang word na percent increase, automatic po gagamit tayo ng NV and OV. So sa question, the population of a town increased from 5,000 to 5,500. What is the percent increase in the population? A, 5%, B, 10%, C, 15%, D, 500%. Percent increase ang tawag natin dito. So gagamit tayo ng formula, NV minus OV over OV. Tandaan, laging nasa OV yung nasa baba, then multiply lang natin ng 100%. Take note, yung NV natin yung mas malaki. So we have 5,500. Then yung OV natin is, yung old value natin is 5,000. Over 5,000 ulit times 100%. So let's subtract 5,500 minus 5,000. So we have 500 over 5,000. Divide both sides by 500 in the simplification form. So meron kang percent increase na 500 divided by 500, we have 1. 5,000 divided by 500, we have 10. Then multiply lang natin sa 100%. 1 over 10 times 100%, that gives you 10%. So sa sagot natin sa question number 11, we have letter B po. Follow my talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.